you know. Umba umba wayo, kick them out, you know. Kick them out, you know.
Fight Ebola.
The Ebola virus is a severe and often fatal illness in humans.
The recent outbreak in part of West Africa affects everyone. It affects you.
Ebola has truly affected major urban and rural areas.
And there have been more cases and deaths in this outbreak than all other Ebola outbreaks in the past combined.
Ebola is real and it can kill.
However, you can protect yourself,
Your family, your community, Africa, and even those around the world.
Fight Ebola. Let's win this fight together.
Umba umba wayo.
Beware. Help stop the spread of Ebola by becoming more aware of the facts and expert advice.
if you suspect someone in your family or community has been infected with Ebola, speak with your local community leader or health expert.
Call your country's toll-free Ebola phone hotline for urgent advice.
Symptoms. Ebola causes the following symptoms:
Sudden high fever, extreme tiredness, headache, body pain, and loss of appetite,
followed by vomiting and diarrhea.
If you have a sudden high fever,
After contact with a person who has contracted Ebola,
immediately call the nearest Ebola Management and Help Center.
act fast. Early treatment of Ebola at an Ebola Management and Help Center increases your chances of survival.
By going immediately to a health facility the moment you have symptoms,
You protect yourself, your family, your community, and help stop the spread of the disease.
do not keep or hide a sick person at home.
No contact. The virus is transmitted when a person comes in contact with the bodily fluids of another sick person infected by Ebola,
Do not ever touch or wash a sick person with suspected Ebola infection.
or even someone who has died from Ebola.
do not touch a contaminated bed, bedding, or furniture.
Burn any material or clothing that belongs or belonged to a person who was infected by Ebola, whilst wearing protective gear.
The virus is most contagious after a person has died from Ebola. Do not touch or wash the corpse of such person.
If you think you may have been exposed to Ebola, avoid close contact with others.
For people in intimate sexual relationships, use protective measures.
If one or more partner has a suspected Ebola infection, abstain from sexual relations altogether.
And if you have recovered from Ebola, abstain from unprotected sexual relations for a minimum of 3 months.
For women who are breastfeeding,
Abstain from feeding your children this way,
As the Ebola virus can be transmitted through breast milk. If the Ebola outbreak is declared in your area,
do not eat bushmeat.
wash hands. Everyone can make a difference by practicing regular personal hygiene.
the main thing you can do is wash your hands frequently with soap and water after every personal contact.
This simple act is key in preventing the spread of the Ebola virus. If you have recovered from Ebola,
You can help and take care of others,
Educate and protect yourself.
your family, and your community.
volunteer with community health workers.
And educate the people who mean most to you.
Please do what you can in this fight against Ebola.
Together we can win this fight.
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 Fight Ebola.
Umba umba wayo.